Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the problem related to Conzyme joint venture accounts. Before starting the video, we will know the meaning of joint venture. A joint venture is a temporary partnership without a firm name between two or more persons to understand a particular venture or business and to share the profits or losses of that venture is an agreed proportion. The joint venture comes to an end as soon as the venture is completed. So, joint venture is an agreement or partnership without a firm name between two or more persons, and it comes to an end when the venture period is completed. So, we will see this. What is the meaning of joint? Joint means two or more than two members combine together and start a business for a period of time known as joint venture. So venture means business. Example, construction of building, etc. is called venture. So we will see the problem of this. We will see the second problem. A and B enter into a joint venture agreeing to share profits and losses in proportion of 4 by 5th and 1 by 5th respectively. A supplies goods to the value of 5,000 and incurs expenses amounting to 400. B supplies goods to the value of 4,000 and his expenses amounted to 300. B sells goods on behalf of the joint venture for 12,000, charging commission 5% of value realized. The amount due is settled by bank draft. So we will see the problem solution related to this. This is the solution. Pro forma debit credit in the books of A joint venture with B particular amount to purchase account goods how much we have purchased 5,000 amount of goods we have purchased. You can see here A supplies goods to the value of 5,000. So to purchase account 5,000 we have to write. Next, to bank account expenses 400 is the expenses. Incurs expenses amounting to 400. So we have to write here 400. So next, to B account goods how many we are sending 4,000. This is the sold amount, this is the purchase amount, this is the sold amount. 4,000 goods we have to expenses amounted to. B supplies goods to the value of 4,000. So next, to B account expenses 300. Expenses amount to 300. So we have to write it here. To B account commission 12,000 into 5 by 100. So this is the B sells goods on the behalf of joint venture 12,000, charging commission of 5%. We have to do 12,000 into 5 by 100. We are getting 600. Next, sales amount we have to write. By B account 12,000. 12,000 is the direct amount given for sales. Joint venture 12,000. So we have to write. So we have to do the total. In credit side we will get the highest amount 12,000, and in debit side we are getting the lowest amount by adding these amounts. If we are getting less amounts means in debit side we are getting less amount, then we have to write as profit, and if credit side if the amount is less balance amount, then we have to write it here by saying profit. So we are getting profit as to profit and loss account profit we are getting. So we are writing here 1,700 we are getting the profit. So A we have to give 1,700 amount by giving the ratios. Here it is given 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. Proportion of 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. 4 by 5 we have to do 1,700 into 4 by 5 come to 1,360. Next BM we have to give 1700 into 1 by 5, it comes to 340. So we have to write there. So next moving on to B account, co-venturer account. So pro forma is same for this also, debit and credit. In this the debit will going to be credited and credit will going to be debited and debit will going to be credited. So we have to write the amount. By sales 12,000 we are getting, so we have to write to joint venture 12,000. Next moving on to credit side, by joint venture goods account 4,000 we are getting. By B account 4,000 we have to write only the expenses of co-venturer in B account, so we have written 4,000 here. So next to by joint venture account expenses how much we are writing here, 300, same we have to write it here. Next by joint venture account commission, what is the commission, 600, so we have to write here. By the profit of B, this is the co-venture account, no, so B amount profit we have to write, that is 340. By adding this we are getting 12,000 and by deducting them with credit side we are getting some balance amount 6,760. We have to transfer here by bank account 6,760. So next see, in the books of B joint venture with A, so the pro forma is same, debit credit particular amount. So we have to write the same amounts here. To goods 5,000, to expenses 400, so we have to copy the same amounts what we have written in the books of A, then we have to copy in the books of B, same as it is. Next moving on to this is the in the books of B joint venture with A, you can see we have to copy the same here. Next we have to see the A account co-venturer, to joint venture account 6760, from where we are getting the amount means by bank account we have written 6,760, no, this amount we have to transfer here. By joint venture account A account, all we have to amounts we have to transfer here, 5,000. See, this is the goods of A, we have to write it here. To joint venture account commission 400 is the commission, we have to write. Next to joint venture account profit, this is the profit, no, 1360, so we have to write it here. We have to add, we will get the equal amount as 6,760. So this is the problem. Hope this video is information for you. If you like this video then subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.